Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell Solana using Coinbase app. This is the easiest way to do so. Over here guys, as you can see on the app itself, you do not have to go and look for the ticker symbol. All the major coins will appear on your automatic watch list. As you can see, the third option over here, we have Solana USD. You want to click on Solana itself over here, and you want to make yourself aware of the chart. You want to make sure that the default settings are set in your favor, meaning as you can see over here, we have an interval of 1 hour. The question is, are you trading in 1 hour or are you trading at 15 minutes interval? Okay. Also, you want to make sure that all the indicators that you usually use are into place. When you define a well situated position for you to enter or exit, you want to click on the lower side of the equation. You want to click the buy button, and then you want to look how to place your order. Do you want to place your limit order, essentially meaning the current prices of Solana is 91.4567. So if you want to set a limit price of $91 only, you can do so. Also, you can work with percentages. You can set to buy when Solana is down 1%, or Solana is down 5 or 10%. Or you can simply work out with amount. For example, if you had deposited, let's say $1,000, you can set an allocation of a quarter of it, right? 25%, or you can allocate 50% of it, or you can allocate all of it. This is very important, guys. Be very careful. Things are moving very fast. On crypto market, the actual volatility is 10 to 20 times more than the stock market. So be aware of the risks associated with. The next option, of course, is the market order. Let's say you want to buy right now. You expect something big to happen. You don't want to wait. So the market order will execute your order on the price that is the coin at the moment you click the button. There is no guarantee what will be the price. This is the tricky part, because every single second and millisecond the prices of Solana are moving. So this means that when you click buy, you might get a shift or you might get a slippage between couple of cents. Sometimes could be $1 depending on the pump or dump. And again, you can use the new function, which is a stop limit, which means that you set a price in which when you allocate your funds towards this particular price, the trading of the moving of the price of the coin will stop, and you will be able to purchase at these levels. Even though the market fluctuation will continue, you will have the access to purchase at this price. But in my opinion, guys, most people are utilizing the limit orders simply because, like I said, market is moving so fast on the way up or on the way down. So there's a likelihood of you getting your price achieved at some point. Not a financial advice, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.